Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 15 December 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 24 and name of the chapter is Reaching Out. So student, take out your book, open page number 136 and take one rough copy also, so that you can note down the important points from the board. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video, the topic which I explained you are what are the means of mass communication. When we communicate with large number of people at the same time, when we communicate with large number of people at the same time, this mean of communication is known as mass communication. So this mean of communication is known as mass communication, and some of the example of mass communication are newspaper, magazine and books. So these newspaper, magazine and book, these are mean of mass communication and they are print media, because newspaper, magazine and books, they all are in the printed form. Then other mean of mass of communication like radio, television, cinema halls, these are also means of mass communication. When we are talking about the radio, so in radio programs, they are what type of a program? Audio programs. You can only listen them. And when we are talking about the television, television is the more advanced mean of mass communication. Sorry, television. Television is the advanced mean of communication, because in television both the audio and visual, both the facilities are available in the television. Is it clear? In television both the audio and video facility is audio visual mean of mass communication, that is here television. So student, and after that we discuss or I explain you advertisement. So advertisement is also very effective mean of communicating with the masses. They inform about the various product in the market. So student, advertisement, you can see advertisement in newspaper also, in magazines also, in but these are printed media. The best method of doing the advertisement is with the help of a radio, television, and even your cinema halls. Because advertisement, you can see advertisement in newspaper and magazine also, but they are printed media. So best method of doing the advertisement is by radio, television, and even your cinema halls also. Is it clear? In this manner, they reach to large number of audience. Even our government also spread social awareness messages through advertisement. Okay, so now in present situation you are seeing lot of precautions what you have to take due to COVID-19. So all the time this is shown in the radio also, वहाँ आप सिर्फ सुन सकते हो, but in television you can, it has both the facility audio and audio visual mean of mass communication. So these mass communications are more effective, that is here radio, television, and even cinema halls. So government also spreads social awareness messages through advertisement. Is it clear? Now student, open page number 136. Now let's start with the keywords of the chapter. STD, I have already explained you about STD when I am explaining about the telephone. What is the full form of STD? Subscriber trunk dialing. In any part of the country, okay, in a telephone, two types of services are available. If you want to talk in any part of the country, you can use STD, subscriber trunk dialing, and there is another facility also that is known as ISD, international subscriber dialing. So with this facility you can talk to your family member or your friend or relative living in abroad also. Abroad means other country. So this facility is known as ISD. So both STD and ISD, I have explained you, it is given in the keywords. ISD is international subscriber dialing. With the help of this facility you can talk to your relative, friends, or family member in abroad also, means they are living in some other country. SMS, short messaging services. You can send SMS with the help of your mobile phone. Okay, so full form of SMS is short messaging services. Then advertisement, just now I explained you, it is a very effective way of communication about a product, because there are many new things in the market, and even we don't know how to, what are the benefits of that product and how we have to use it. So the advertisement which we are, especially which we are watching in the television, so due to this we are aware to the new products which are in the market. So next is things to remember. The first point is, early humans communicated with the help of signs, symbols and picture. That I have already discussed with you. What are the ancient mean of communication? Drum beat, sign language. They use pigeons to send the messages. In the old time, messengers, and by the smoke method also. So this is the ancient means of communication. Second point, nowadays we have faster mean of communication such as post, telephone, email, etc. So these are the mean of personal communication, student. And postal system, that is services available in the post office, that this is also very popular in the old time, and in all part of the country the government set up the post office services. You can see these services in villages also, in towns, cities, and even in big cities also. So in any part of the country you will find this services, that is your postal system. After that, telephone I already explained you. Telephone is the fastest mean of communication. What is telephone? Telephone is the fastest mean of communication. But after that, more advanced mean of personal communication which is very popular nowadays, that is your mobile phone, because mobile have lot of facilities, lot of features are given in the mobile. Is it clear? So the features of mobiles we have already discussed. Here we are doing just recapitulation what we have done study in the chapter. You can talk, you can in mobile, you can carry mobile with you, you can do video calling also, you can send SMS also, you can send internet facilities also available, you can do chatting also in with the help of your mobile, you can do recording also. Even your mobiles phone are also used for the study purpose also in present time. Online teaching is possible due to the mobile, and for this there should be a internet connection. इन सब के सर्विसेज के लिए क्या होना चाहिए बेटा? इंटरनेट कनेक्शन होना चाहिए. ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है, पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन टेक प्लेस बिटवीन द सेंडर एंड द रिसीवर. पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन यही होता ही है. ठीक है. सेंड इट टेक प्लेस बिटवीन द सेंडर एंड द रिसीवर, इसीलिए इसको पर्सनल मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन कहा गया. जैसे आप किसी को मोबाइल पे टॉक करते हो, आप उसको फोन करते हो, तो व्हाट यू आप जो आप और जो पर्सन है, आप लोग के बीच में जो बात होती है ना, ठीक है, तो ये पर्सनल मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. ये मास कम्युनिकेशन नहीं. मास कम्युनिकेशन में एक ही मैसेज को लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल के संग शेयर करते हैं एट ए टाइम, बट इसमें नहीं करते हैं इस तरह. दैट इज द रीजन इट इज नोन एज पर्सनल मीन ऑफ communication, and it is between the sender and the receiver. Next है, mass communication means communicating with large number of people at the same time, that just now I already explained you. Advertisement help in selling goods. ठीक है. जो भी प्रोडक्ट आते हैं उनको बेचने में भी हेल्प कराता कौन है? एडवर्टाइजमेंट. सो बिकॉज with the help of the advertisement we are able to understand the products, how we use these new products, what are the benefits of this product. So all these information we are getting by the advertisement. So it helps in the sellings of the good also. Now student, let us start with the book exercises. Question number A, tick the correct answer. Tick the question number A, tick the correct answers. First question is, which of the following, which 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 of the following is mode of personal communication? ठीक है, so which of the following, which of the following is a mode of personal communication? A, radio, internet, C, newspaper, and D is the email. So which of the following is a मोड ऑफ पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन? इट मीन्स पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन अभी मैंने बताया, इट इज बिटवीन द सेंडर एंड रिसीवर. अभी जस्ट वी हैव डिस्कस दिस इन द थिंग्स टू रिमेंबर. पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन क्या होता है? इट टेक प्लेस बिटवीन द सेंडर एंड ए रिसीवर. सो फर्स्ट वन इज द रेडियो. रेडियो इज मीन ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन. Okay, with the help of this service you are able to communicate with the large number of people at the same time. So radio is not a right answer, it is a mean of mass communication. Second is the internet. So internet is a facility by which you use many services which are available in the mobile, laptop, computer, tablets. Okay, so with the help of these you use many services. So this is also not a right answer. Newspaper, newspaper is also mean of mass communication. Okay, and this is a print media because the informations are in the printed form. Next is email. So yes student, this is the right answer. email is the right answer because email के लिए मैंने ऑलरेडी आप लोग को एक्सप्लेन किया था. व्हेन आई टीच यू, इफ यू वांट टू सेंड ए ईमेल टू एनी पर्सन, आपके पास कंप्यूटर होना चाहिए. सेकेंड थिंग इज इंटरनेट कनेक्शन होना चाहिए. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट यू मस्ट नो द ईमेल आईडी ऑफ दैट पर्सन to whom you want to send the message. So this email is a personal mean of communication. Right answer is D. Email is the personal mean of communication. Question number 2, to send copies of document. Question number 2, to send copies of a document, we use a dash. Telephone, B option, printer, C is fax machine, and D is speed post. So student, telephone is the personal mean of communication. So this is not a right answer, क्योंकि टेलीफोन एक पर्सनल मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन होता है एंड इट इज बिटवीन द सेंडर एंड रिसीवर. Second, printer. When you want to take print out of any, so it is a printer. You take out a, for example आप पढ़ रहे हो या कोई चीज आपको प्रिंट आउट करनी है तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ द प्रिंटर होता है. ठीक है. सो आप उसको कंप्यूटर में जाके आप कमांड देंगे प्रिंट, तो विच पेज यू वांट टू प्रिंट आउट दैट पेज इज प्रिंट, एंड दिस इज पॉसिबल ड्यू टू द प्रिंटर. ठीक है. फैक्स मशीन, हाँ फैक्स मशीन है स्पीड पोस्ट. देखो फैक्स मशीन, हाँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ फैक्स मशीन आल्सो टू सेंड कॉपीज ऑफ ए डॉक्यूमेंट वी यूज अ फैक्स मशीन. यस, दिस इज अ राइट आंसर. ठीक है. फैक्स मशीन को भी हम यूज करते हैं, स्पेशली फैक्स मशीन कहाँ यूज होती है? ऑफिसेस में. ठीक है. इज इट क्लियर? स्पीड पोस्ट है, स्पीड पोस्ट से भी आप कोई चीज सेंड कर सकते हो, ऐसी बात नहीं है. इट इज अ फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल इन द पोस्ट ऑफिस, बट इट टेक टाइम. तो अगर डॉक्यूमेंट्स को भेजना है तो फास्टेस्ट मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन क्या है? फैक्स मशीन ही आएगी. ठीक है. इज इट क्लियर? सो थर्ड आंसर इज, आंसर नंबर सी इज राइट, फैक्स मशीन. नेक्स्ट है, थर्ड इज advertisement. Advertisement, search a large number of people with the help of advertisement. Search a large number of people. Advertisement, search a large number of people with the help of option A, radio, B, television, C, internet, D, all of these. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट, एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज अ वेरी इफेक्टिव बाय विच वी कैन, अभी जस्ट तुम लोग को थिंग्स टू रिमेंबर में भी बताया था. एडवर्टाइजमेंट हेल्प इन सेलिंग गुड्स. इज इट क्लियर? सो एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज वेरी इफेक्टिव मेथड. और एडवर्टाइजमेंट आप न्यूज़पेपर में भेज सकते हो, मैगजीन्स में भेज सकते हो, रेडियो, टेलीविजन, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, इवन सिनेमा हॉल्स आल्सो. बट द बेस्ट, जो सबसे ज्यादा पीपल्स को आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट किससे शेयर कर सकते हो? विद द हेल्प ऑफ रेडियो, टेलीविजन एंड इंटरनेट। ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि दिस इज द बेस्ट। ऐसा नहीं है कि न्यूज़पेपर, क्योंकि वो क्या प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में है। ठीक है, प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में है। तो बट हियर रेडियो टेलीविजन, रेडियो ऑडियो में आ जाएगा, टेलीविजन में ऑडियो विजुअल दोनों हो जाएगा आपको। सो ऑल दीज थ्री मेथड, दैट इज रेडियो, टेलीविजन एंड इंटरनेट, बाय दिस वी कैन सर्च लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस। इन तीनों की हेल्प से हम लोग लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल के टच में आ सकते हैं थ्रू एडवर्टाइजमेंट। इज इट क्लियर? सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज द right answer. Option number D, all of these is the right answer. Question number 4, postal department postal departments are set up by the dash. Okay, president, B, governor, C, government, D, none of these. So when we are talking about the postal department, student, once upon a time it is also a very popular mean of transport. So postal department are set up by the, just in things to remember, I explained you, this is the services which are set up in every part of the country, whether it is a village, whether it is a town, city or big cities, by the government. So option number C is right, by the government. Is it clear? Note down the answer. Question number 5. An email full form is electronic mail. An email can be sent through a first is laptop, B, mobile phone, C, tablet, and D, all of these. So student, email is a पर्सनल मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये समझो, ईमेल क्या है बेटा? पर्सनल मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है। हाउ वी कैन सेंड ईमेल? सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ लैपटॉप, मोबाइल फोन, टैबलेट, ऑल ऑफ दिस। यस, this facility is available in all of these. With the help of your laptop also you can send the email. With your mobile phone also you can send the email, and with the help of your tablet, if you having tablet, with the help of tablets also you can send the email. But in all these things you must have the internet connection. ईमेल सेंड करने के लिए इंटरनेट कनेक्शन होना चाहिए और उस पर्सन की ईमेल आईडी टू whom you want to send the email. Okay, thank you student.